When you talk to your lover or your partner or your husband or your wife or whomever that person is that you hold dear to your heart, what are you saying to them? How are you saying it? What words are you saying? Right? Is it encouraging? Is it uplifting? Is it inspiring? Is it, sort of directing him, but in a positive way? Are you always critiquing in a negative way? Are you always putting them down? Is it that they can never do anything right? And you tell them, you'll never be good. You're never good enough. You never get it right. Are you saying all of those things? Because all of those negative things, our words have power, and it has an impact on individuals, on children. And these things become limiting beliefs as we grow up and become adults, and we have the experiences and we have the partners that are verbally abusive, verbally and emotionally abusive. Hearing those words, even though they're not true, you constantly hear that negativity, that put down, that verbal abuse, that emotional abuse, and you keep hearing it like a record every single day. It can become traumatic, and it can become very impactful to you. So, are you in an environment where there is someone that is speaking positive to you, that is uplifting, that is supportive, that you have disagreements, but it's not in this toxic environment? Which one are you? Are you positive or negative? Is it supportive or not supportive? Is it build you up or does it tear you down? This, I want you to take stock of where you are. Who are you surrounding yourself with? Who is feeding into your soul, into your mind, into your emotions? What are they saying to you? Is it uplifting?